Hello and welcome to the race 14, which is the cutoff race of the round of 12. And last race I did make a mistake. I apologize because I took a break for a while, if you guys remember that, and then I came back and I thought Ryan Blaney made it in the playoffs, but he was off by 5 points. So, yeah, that's why I thought he was in the playoffs. So I apologize that I said that Ryan Blaney will advance to the next round. I feel so bad for you Ryan Blaney fans or Penske fans. But yeah, so this is the final race of the round of 12. To see who will make it into the round of 8, we'll go down to 8 drivers. And next season, since there's only 4 races, since this is race 14, there's only 4 races, well, including this one, there's 5. And next season will be a next-gen season. So, as it stands right now, here are the cars that do not have next-gen cars. I will be getting a Gregson and Kyle Busch, hopefully a McDowell when I'm down at Pocono. But here are the next-gen cars that I do not have right now. So I do not have Noah Gragson, Justin Haley, BJ McLeod, Michael McDowell, Garrett Smithley, Ty Gibbs, and Kyle Busch. So yeah, those are the cars that I do not have next gens of yet. But yeah, when I go down to Pocono, I will hopefully be getting Kyle Busch, Ty Gibbs, Noah Gragson, and Michael McDowell. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and start off here today. Today we are racing at Talladega for second race. And yeah, I'm pretty sure the regular season finale, the round of 8 race heading into the championship 4. We have not figured out plans of that yet. Pretty sure it's going to be Vegas, but not sure yet. Anyways, we got Ross Chastain, Denny Hamlin, Ryan Blaney, Ryan Preece, Ty Dillon, Alex Bowman, Noah Gragson, Justin Haley, Corey LaJoie, and Daniel Suarez. Haley, LaJoie, and Suarez are pretty much locked in on points in the playoffs system here. So, no matter where they finish, as long as they don't finish like last today, which is not possible since they're in the first group, they're pretty much advanced. So, yeah. Anyways, we're underway here at Talladega. We do have a crash, and that'll take out all 3 playoff contenders and more. Suarez, Corey LaJoie, and Justin Haley. Go there, okay. Noah Gragson will make it across the line, but Ty Dillon and Ryan Preece will not. And Noah Gragson, Alex Bowman, Ross Chastain, and Ryan Blaney and Denny Hamlin will advance. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the points leader for the signups is Rowdy X. Yeah, I'm pretty sure second is R Alamo, and third is Racer 42. Fourth is Prescott Productions, and I don't remember who else is behind them, but that's all I remember right now. now for Group 2 is Chris Buescher. Easy points today. Chase Elliott, Brad Keselowski, Riley Herbst, Kyle Larson, Martin Truex. He's pretty much locked into with a decent day today. We have Chase Briscoe, BJ McLeod, Ricky Stenhouse, and Michael McDowell needs a good day today to advance to the next round. Oh, and by the way, Chris Buescher's a playoff driver as well. Anyways, we're underway. Oh, I don't know what in the world happened there. Chris Buescher will go flying off the entire side there. So Herbst, Buescher, and McLeod will DNF. Larson will finish 7th. 6th is going to be McDowell. 5th is Ricky Stenhouse. 4th is Chase Briscoe. 3rd is Martin Truex, which will lock Martin Truex in. I don't know about McDowell because he had a 6th place finish. And 2nd is Chase Elliott, and 1st is Brad Keselowski. Chase Elliott, what a good day so far today at Talladega. So we have a Toyota, 2 Fords, and a Chevrolet advanced so far. Now we have 2 playoff drivers, 3 actually, starting 1, 2, 3. It's Kevin Harvick, Bubba Wallace, and Eric Jones. They all need to have good days today. And we have Kaz Gralla, Garrett Smithley, Todd Gilliland, Christopher Bell needs to have a good day. And then we have Adrian Allmendinger, Austin Cindric, and Austin Dillon. I forgot to mention in the last video, if you didn't see it already, Austin Dillon has a new next-gen car. So, yeah. Anyways, we're underway. Oh! Not what those 2 drivers wanted to see there. And Kaz Gralla and AJ Allmendinger will DNF, along with Austin Cindric and Christopher Bell. Christopher Bell, I do not know the point situation he's in right now, but I'm pretty sure that will eliminate him from the playoffs, including Chris Buescher. So I'm just gonna look at the point standings quick and see. Let's see. Yeah, Buescher was +0, tied with Bubba Wallace, and Bell was -7. McDowell was +7, so I'm pretty sure McDowell is gonna advance. Yeah. So Buescher and Bell are out of the playoffs. And in 6th, we have Garrett Smithley. 5th is Todd Gilliland. 4th is Austin Dillon. 3rd is Kevin Harvick. 2nd, Eric Jones, and Bubba Wallace will advance. Alright, so Bubba Wallace and Eric Jones will advance. And now we have Eric Almirola, playoff contender. Ty Gibbs. Harrison Burton, playoff contender. And then we have Greg Biffle. And we have Kyle Busch, Joey Logano, Josh Berry, William Byron, playoff contender. And then we have Tyler Reddick. We're underway. William Byron needs to win here today if he wants to advance. Anyways, we're underway. Oh, and we have a crash. And Joey Logano, William Byron, Tyler Reddick, and Greg Biffle will be involved in this one. Big crash here in Talladega, and that'll end William Byron's playoff hopes. Byron with a fantastic second half of the season, heading towards the playoffs. Thought he was going to have a good run, and kind of just shut it down entering the playoffs. He was last in points. By how many points? 20 below, which is 12 points behind 11th place driver in the standings. And then we have Kyle Busch will come in third, and Harrison Burton. That's exactly what Burton needed here today. It's a good finish, and he will finish inside the top two, which will advance into the final round. Good run for Harrison Burton when he needs it to advance to the next round of the playoffs. Let's take a look at your starting lineup. In row number 1, Denny Hamlin, Brad Keselowski, Bubba Wallace, Harrison Burton. Row 2, Ryan Blaney, Chase Elliott, Eric Jones, and Ty Gibbs. We're underway for 2 laps here at Talladega. Let's see. Everyone will make it successfully across the line. But it's going to be Eric Jones 8th, Ty Gibbs 7th, Chase Elliott 6th, Harrison Burton 5th, Brad Keselowski 4th, Ryan Blaney 3rd, Bubba Wallace 2nd, and Denny Hamlin 1st. Bubba Wallace looking for his 2nd win of the season. Denny Hamlin looking for his 1st career win. Ryan Blaney looking for his 2nd. Keselowski looking for his 3rd. Burton looking for his 2nd. Elliott looking for his 3rd. Ty Gibbs and Eric Jones still looking for their 1st. Who is going to win here at Talladega? 1 lap to go. We're underway. Oh, not what Ty Gibbs or Harrison Burton wanted to see. We have a sign fell over, and so did the Lego guy as they come down for the final lap. Ty Gibbs will come in 8th. Harrison Burton, good playoff run for him today. He will finish in 7th. Eric Jones, another good playoff run. He will finish in 6th. Chase Elliott will get his first top 5 of the season. He will finish 5th. 4th today is Brad Keselowski. 3rd is going to be Ryan Blaney. 2nd is going to be Bubba Wallace. And Denny Hamlin will get his first career Ramp Racing Series win, and he will win at Talladega. And we will see you guys next time.